Hello everyone. I think that you are doing your best in nowadays. So students, today again we are on the same topic, that is cell, and today we will discuss about the main component of the cell. What is that, student? Can you tell me? It is the control center of the cell, and what we call it? It is nucleus. So what is the nucleus? Nucleus is protoplasmic body that is found inside the cell, and it contains many hereditary information in it, and with the help of those hereditary information, the traits move from one generation to next generation. It is found in some cell in the form of nucleus itself, but it is found in the some cell as scattered form. Those scattered form cells that have the scattered form nucleus are known as nucleoid, students. What we call them? We call them nucleoid. So nucleoid is found inside the prokaryotic cell, and nucleus is found inside the eukaryotic cell. Now in some eukaryotic cell it is absent, student, means it is not found, and it is the most important question for exam point of view. So in which cells the nucleus is absent? Tell me if you know. It is RBC and sieve tube companion cells. It is absent. Now we come on the components of the nucleus. So what are the main component of the nucleus? It is nuclear envelope. Nuclear envelope surround the nucleus in a definite form, and it also helps in transportation of the substances, and it is double membraned part of the nucleus, and it separates the cytoplasm. It separates the cytoplasm from the nucleoplasm, means nucleus have the fluid like substance that is known as nucleoplasm, student. After that, there is one dense particle is also found. That dense particle is known as nucleolus. What we call that? It is nucleolus. And in the nucleus there are chromatin material is also found. And that chromatin material that is found in thread-like structures, in the form of thread-like structure, is known as chromosome. And those chromosomes have the granules-like substance. Those granules-like substance are known as gene. So what are the gene? Gene are the segment of DNA. With this, there are RNA are also found. So it is about the nucleus, and this chromatin material of the nucleus is responsible for heredity, means they have the gene, and with the help of those genes, traits move from one generation to another generation, student. So it is about the nucleus. Now we will discuss about the cytoplasm. So student, now we come on the next part of the cell, that is cytoplasm. It is the main part that contains the two subparts, student. First is cytosol and second is organelles. Now what is cytosol? Cytosol. It is a fluid like part that have homogeneous mixture in it and helps in the biochemical activities. It contains some important substances like water, enzymes, ions and vitamins, students. And this cytosol provides medium to the organelles. Means organelles is the other part of the cytoplasm. Organelles provides the medium in which they do their activities with the help of cytosol. Next component of the cytoplasm is cell organelle. There are different cell organelles are found inside the cytoplasm, and all these cell organelles are having their own activities. Means they divide the labor of the cell. They divide the labor of the cell, and they also help in the metabolic activities. Now if we speak about the structure, then they have one membrane around them. Some have single membrane and some have double membrane. With the help of that, they separate them from their surrounding. And now we come on the examples of the cell organelles, and we will study them one by one in detail. Now I want to tell you the name of some cell organelles, and you know them very well because you have read that in your 8th class. Yes, if you know, then you tell me. What is first? Yes, it is vacuole, mitochondria, plastids and lysosome. What are they? They are cell organelles. So about them we will read in